My dear students, welcome the students of class 8, 9 and 10 to our online class. Today I am going to present a class from our English second paper or English grammar. Topic's name changing sentence. My dear students, you know changing sentence is a large item. It includes different kinds of sentence, its interchange. Today I am going to discuss changing from assertive to interrogative. Okay. Statement to questions. Statement to question. First one I am writing. He is absent. He is absent from the meeting. Okay. We see the sentence is assertive sentence with an auxiliary verb. What the auxiliary verb is? Is. Here the auxiliary verb is. Okay. I have to change into interrogative. Is not, isn't he absent from the meeting. Okay. Here the sentence is in affirmative form. I have to change into interrogative. In negative form in interrogative situation. Okay. The sentence is affirmative form. I have to write in negative form. In the first place isn't, then I have written subject, then other word. It is the one kinds of changing a statement to questions. Number 2, he is not a good student. Though the sentence is assertive, but it is in a negative form. I have to change it in interrogative form like this. Is he a good student? Okay. I have to give a question mark also in each sentence, because for interrogative sentence a specific sign may write here. It's called note of interrogation, or sign of interrogation. So what is the difference between two sentences? Here the sentence is affirmative form. I have to write in negative form in interrogative situation, and second one is negative form. I have to write in affirmative form in interrogative situation. Now I am writing another sentence. He plays cricket. He plays cricket. Here the word play and a letter S. When we see after base form of verb a word S or ES, I have to change into interrogative like this. Does, then not, in short form doesn't he play cricket, and note of interrogation. The sentence is like this one. Here it was in affirmative form, changed into negative form also, interrogative situation. Then the sentence is also affirmative form. I have written in negative form in interrogative situation. Number 4, they play cricket. In this sentence, we can see the verb is in base form. So I have to write into interrogative sentence. Do, then negative form. Don't they play cricket? Don't they play cricket? Okay? Don't they play cricket? Don't they play cricket? It is also one kind of changing sentence from assertive to interrogative. I am writing another sentence. 5. They liked the late spring. Okay. Here the verb is first form, so I have to write for first form did, then not, in short form didn't they like. Verb is in base form, like the late spring. Late spring is a question to you. Didn't they like the late spring? They liked the late spring. Question number 6. He does not work hard. He does not work hard. Here is different. It is a negative form. I have to write in does he work hard? Does he work hard? The sentence in negative form I have to write in affirmative form in interrogative situation. Another sentence, I never drink tea. I never drink tea. Okay. So, without never, I have to read I drink tea. So, it is a present form with a verb in a base form. So, I have to change into negative. Do I ever drink tea? Do I ever drink tea? I never drink tea. Questions? Do I ever drink tea? It is the interrogative form. Negative form in affirmative form into interrogative situation. Another sentence, also negative form. I have to write affirmative form into interrogative situation. There was nothing to do. There was nothing to do. Okay. Here also the sentence in negative form. I have to write was there nothing will change into anything to do. Was there anything to do? There was nothing to do. It is a statement and it is a question. I am writing another sentence for changing into interrogative. Everybody wishes to be happy. When we see the sentence with everybody, everyone, all, at that time you have to change into negative. Who doesn't wish to be happy? Everyone who doesn't, everybody who doesn't, for all who doesn't. Okay. Number 10, every man hates a liar. When you see after every a what noun, at that time you have to write, is there any man? Is there any man? Because here a what noun, so you have to write first time, is there any man who doesn't a liar. Okay. When you see after every a what, body, one or all, you have to write only who doesn't. When you see a what as a noun after every, you have to write, is there any man who doesn't a liar. The last one, I am giving an example for changing assertive to interrogative. No one can do it. Okay. It is also a negative form. So, I have to change into interrogative form. Who? Only who can do it? Who can do it? Who can do it? No one can do it. who can do it. Nobody could do the work, who could do the work. This type of sentence may change with this structure. So, my dear students, when you see different kinds of sentence into affirmative or negative form, you have to change into interrogative sentence by using this type of rules and structure, and with this rule you can change a lots of sentence by using 11 rules. So, I am giving some example for doing exercise. I am giving only 5 sentences for exercise. First one, he worked hard. You worked hard. You have to change indicative. Okay. All must die. You have to change also in interrogative. Number 3, nobody could do the work, also interrogative. Number 4, I never drink coffee, also in interrogative. Number 5, I saw a running train yesterday. It is also in interrogative. So, my dear students, you can change a lots of sentence from assertive to interrogative by using given rules. So, that's answer for today. Thank you very much.